In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in Clickup using a simple Clickup hierarchy. Whether you're new to Clickup or just looking for a streamlined way to manage your tasks and projects, this guide is for you. Clickup, as you may already know, is an all-in-one tool designed to make task management a breeze, and with just a few steps, you'll be on your way to a more organized life. First, you'll need to head over to Clickup's website. It's a comprehensive platform where all your tasks, notes, and projects come together seamlessly. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to proceed. Now, if you have a Google account, and who doesn't these days, you can choose to log in with Google. This option simplifies the login process by skipping the need for additional passwords. Just click on sign in with Google, and if you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to select your account. Do so, and in no time you'll arrive at your Clickup homepage. Welcome to your workspace. To kick off organizing your personal life, you'll want to create a new space. This is essentially where all related tasks will reside. You'll notice a plus icon. Click on it. From there, choose Use Templates. This handy feature saves you from starting from scratch and provides a well-structured foundation for your projects. When the template options appear, type Personal in the search bar. You will be presented with templates tailored for personal use. To add one to your workspace, hover over the desired option and select Quick Use. Once your new space is set up, it's time to make it your own by renaming it. Locate the three dots next to the newly created space's name and click on them. This action will reveal the option to rename. Choose a name that resonates with your personal projects or lifestyle. After you've entered the new name, remember to click Save Changes to secure your work. Within this personal space, you'll find lists which are integral to keeping everything organized. Each list can represent different areas of your personal life, such as fitness goals, household chores, or travel plans. By clicking on these lists, you're able to rename them or create new tasks specifically tailored to your needs. And just like that, you've organized your personal life in Clickup. With this setup, you can manage various aspects of your personal life all in one place, helping you focus on what's important and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Keep exploring Clickup for more features that can enhance your productivity and happy organizing.